Okay, so here is the setup. Here are the 3 picos. So this is the master pico that's inside, measuring temperature and humidity. And it's also getting the feeds from these other 2 via Adafruit. So I'm going to do a quick demonstration. Just want to tell you something about each of these first. You can keep an eye on this. When I open, then this light will turn off, because then when I open the windows, the magnet is not in near contact with the Hall sensor any longer. This will blink because it will send a message to Adafruit. And this one is the outdoor thermometer. It's also sending feeds this every 5 minutes, this only when the status changes. And this one has a red and a green light, and it indicates when it's getting feeds or when it's sending data, or when there is a change in the window. For instance, if I open, it will blink 3 times in green, and if I close, it will blink 3 times in red. But that's mostly for me to have a visual that things are happening without needing to look into the dashboard. So here we are. This is the code from GitHub. And we have a set point temperature, which means it's the desired temperature that we want depending on the next day's forecast. So for instance, today it's quite cold outside, and tomorrow it's going to be a cold day. Therefore, the set point temperature is to 23. So it's telling us the airing is off, the window is closed, and well, it is as it should be. So now I'm going to proceed to open the window, so then you can see what happens here, and then you can also look at the sensor, the indoor sensor, which also will signal that it gets the message. And then it says it's closed. So that's one of the settings. So the next setting, we are going to change the forecast. And this is being fed like 3 times a day. So I have to do it manually. So I go in here, and then I can add data, and we can say, I don't know, 35 maybe. And then we go back to the dashboard, and then we see it says open the windows. And this is because, it's going to be hot tomorrow, so I really should get this temperature down a little bit. And if we look here, the set point is 20. So we'll do that. So when it's open, it says now that the airing is on, so the window is open. And I'm going to get this also to my Discord as a notification. So I'll set the SMHI value to the real value now. I just want to say one more thing about this, because this forecast has shown to be not so accurate, and because my outdoor temperature thermometer is inside a balcony that is glazed, it also differs a little bit. So here I made an adjustment, so I adjust the forecast to +2, because it's usually +2 or more. And this is something that I have to play with a little bit and adjust accordingly, depending on how it looks, just in my case. So we go now to the next settings. So finally, I wanted to show you like what happens if it is hot inside the house, and we're going to have a cold day next day. So I have actually to hold the thermometer in the inside thermometer to get it to get hot, because this information is inside the master device. So when it's hot above certain temperature, then it will tell us also to open the window. And the code for this is here. I have the hot day settings and the cold day settings. And here I just decided that if the difference between the indoor temperature and the set temperature or the desired temperature is bigger than 2, and the outside temperature is lower, then it tells me to open the window. And yeah, that's how it works. I can open it from here instead. And then it will change to, yeah, now it is airing on. Yeah, I think that was all. Thank you for listening, and thank you for this course. It's been really fun to work with this. I definitely continue tinkering with all the adjustments. It's been really fun.